Yeah, when you stop, it's flaring up on you.
So, well, here's what happened. They needed a new building because they were close.
Oh, yeah. So, this is a dick comedy. Who you watching?
Yeah. YouTube.
No CGI, man. Don't chase on that. That's the best part.
Like build like Hooper? No.
There's no CGI in that, man. That's all real time.
Anyways, the ground was looted, so if they would have ripped that building.
Yeah.
Yes, it does. That's got it. Oh, I won't. I'm good. Work around the other one. I didn't think I was gonna get it either.
That's a 68.
Silver thing, does that work?
Beauty.
That thing, that's a friend of ours. We use that to work on the roof.
Oh, okay. It's not yours.
Oh, my. Yeah, see the trail to the left.
It's up to you, radiation doctor, number,
What you want?
Would you rather hear the bite, or would you rather hear?
Pipes, they're working on it.
Yeah.
But you get the wrong one, it all doesn't make noise.
Yeah.
You use the mid-range, you know, throttle response.
chemo and all that. And he said if you come back, you still might have to do it on purpose. You don't know how long, you still might have to, and you might have to, you still may not get water. Yeah, there's crazy.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
The friction, is
that yours?
Yeah, I think I got a wire tied around. Happy with road? I used to.
That's what I do.
You can spend all day cleaning yours, or you can go for a ride. The time it came out, I came out, I did ride it, but they saw wheels on it. We fixed it out, had an off dive, and got dirty.
It's like my logo.
Your mother's gonna kill me.
So you gotta buy it. Wink, wink.
What is it?
It's a 67. It's a 67 500 Daytona 500. Twin carb, like that. It's fucking restored. Perfect. 2200 bucks. Wow. Brand new fucking tires, all fucking fresh. I just got somebody left the gas in it. Fucked up the inside of the tank a little bit, so just gotta clean up this time. But it's over at Jason's. Jason So he, you know, he can't sit still. He pulled the gas line off here, put a little thing in here with a bottle, pulled up the garters, and then hooked the battery to it. It fucking kicked right over, so they're idling.
Oh, shit.
I went, fucking, me and Zach looked at it. And the guy wanted because other people, what did I do? He goes, 25. He goes, 22. He goes, alright, fucking take it. I'll be over on this week because I'll be back. He told Jason, he was like, I'll be back. Let's make sure the title will be square. I'll be back in town for the title. I'll be back tomorrow. He's only on like Wednesday. No big deal. So,
Sweet.
yeah. Like it's clean as that one. Like, you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
I'm like, God damn.
What year is it? 65?
67.
67. Here and he's gonna send them to auction. Trying to see if you can get.
Who?
Yeah, you had breakfast with. Yeah. Now there's a bigger one. And that would be like the There you go. There we go. You're welcome.